Also, shout out to this company, 3-Footed Monster. They sent me this mount for this GoPro, and at first I thought nothing special, it's just another suction mount, but turns out it's magnetic and it's a pretty strong magnet, and you can also see that there's springs on here that really help absorb vibrations. I guess they developed this to put on race cars, but it's also rubbery, so it's not gonna scratch up the paint. They also gave me a bigger one too that I can use for something like this A7S, but pretty cool. I thought the idea and concept was pretty cool. Thought I'd share. But before I give the official thumbs up to this magnetic mount, I figured I'll try to shake it off the Tesla, and if it does fly off, then I will retract the recommendation and probably cry, because this GoPro Hero 10 that's on there is like $500. That's a pretty expensive camera compared to the other ones, but if you do get the GoPro subscription thingy, then you can get it at $399. So I think I could take this thing, put it in track mode, and let's go into drift mode. I'm not gonna be able to shake this thing off. And this is the Model 3 Performance, and I can floor it, and it's not even gonna come close to getting loose. So good job, 3-Footed Monster. They also sent us some Vegemite, or Vegemite, I don't know how you pronounce it, but apparently it's some Australian paste thing that they eat over there, so they sent some over for us to try. Apparently a lot of Americans think it's kind of nasty. This is kind of a nice way to vlog, isn't it? It's like, it's super chill. You know, I don't even have to hold the camera, we're just driving.
Can you imagine if they did like a podcast like this where they're stuck in traffic? Just like, yeah, for an hour-long podcast, and it's just people that are mic'd up and you got like cameras outside.
There's a few people that have done that. Well, there's like the getting coffee in cars. Well, even one EDM DJ did that. I think is it like Deadmau5? But hey, I could see why this is appealing, because it's just chill. You know, vlogging, we're always like, we gotta go to this cool place and hold this camera, and everyone looks at us like we're crazy. Right. But you know, this is pretty chill. Oh shoot, I need to get a thumbnail, so I should probably pull over and let's snap some real quick. You pretending to press buttons, right? But apparently this is the stuff right here. What, it's just super flavorful or something?
It's flavorful of something.
It's not spicy, right? So
no,
like,
it's not.
It's just like, what, extra flavorful? How bad could it be? Right?
That's famous last words.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh!
Dylan looks like he's gonna throw up.
Oh! Dylan, are you gonna puke? Dylan wants to puke. Oh!
Clearly I was missing out.
Oh god. It started off almost like a stick of butter, and then it had this like really weird smell to it, and then I just couldn't do it. Oh.
Yeah.
You know what we need to do is like take this and put it inside like a chocolate muffin or something.
Got a chocolate cupcake for it.